you begin to realize that the plan that works best for you is one that you can follow, that allows you to include the foods that you have a preference for, that fits into your lifestyle, that there's no one diet fits all sort of plan. There are so many diet plans out there, it is confusing, and often they're opposite in what they recommend. What I find works with the clients that I see, they come to me having tried so many different diet plans, and I'll say to them, well, what worked for you? And then what didn't work for you? And once I write that down, what they're telling me, it becomes very clear. It emerges what works for them, their own diet plan, that's based on years of experience of what has and hasn't worked. So one plan you tried might have taught you more about fiber, and like that worked for you. And another plan might have talked about the benefits of breakfast, and you found that really helped to curtail your hunger the rest of the day. So now you know breakfast is important, and including high fiber foods are important for you. You might have found that a Mediterranean style worked for you, having more fruits and vegetables. And you begin to realize that the plan that works best for you is one that you can follow, that allows you to include the foods that you have a preference for, that fits into your lifestyle, that there's no one diet fits all sort of plan. You might do better having a support network from a more structured program. You might do better doing more of a self-help online or reading it from a book program. Actually, just changing up your diet and having some structure is what helps most people sort of get out of their food ruts that they're in and kind of start fresh. But you don't really need to follow a very specific plan in order to find out a routine and a pattern that works best for you.